Pramila Gupta from Inventiva, and we are back with another episode of today's news headlines. Masayoshi Son-led SoftBank Group Corp could put more than $4 billion to work in India in 2021 across MyRight technology bets, including software as a service, B2B marketplaces, e-commerce, health tech, and edtech. The investment will come from Japanese company's Vision Fund 2, which has an investment outlay of up to $30 billion for the current calendar year. In India, we have already invested more than $2 billion in 8 to 9 companies in the first 5 months of this year. A few deals are yet to be announced and will continue to invest if we find the right opportunities. We anticipate investing a similar size in remainder of this year. SoftBank Vision Fund Chief Executive Officer Rajiv Mishra said this in an interview from London. Among its new bets this year, Vision Fund 2 led $300 million investment in Meesho in April, capitulating the social commerce platform's post-money valuation to $2.1 billion. More recently, it led a $250 million funding round in Zeta, valuing the banking technology firm at $1.45 billion. India, Mishra said, remains an important target market for investments from the Vision Fund, especially in context of widespread technology-driven disruptions expected across the economy in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. I believe that SoftBank is the largest investor in India's digital economy and will continue to be the one. We have invested about $14 billion in India so far. The team on the ground is expanding. I think the post-pandemic disruptions in India will last because behavioral changes are sticky. We have seen a material improvement in the unit economics of our companies. A lot of global companies will come out in India in SaaS, biotech, edtech, etc. over the next few years. SoftBank currently has a team of about 10 people in India for 10 Vision Funds, and former Norwest Venture Partners top executive Sumer Juneja leads the fund's investment teams here, and where former Google India interim head Vikas Agnihotri leads the operating team, which assists portfolio companies across functions including building linkages to the global markets. The investment momentum in India is reflective of a similar momentum that a firm anticipates globally. To that end, Vision Fund N2 corpus, Mishra said, remains flowing at present, and in May it upped the target of corpus of the fund to $30 billion from $10 billion in November last year. SoftBank Group Corp is currently the sole investor or limited partner in the fund. We have enough capital within SoftBank. We sold a lot of assets last year. We also have a lot of cash coming back from our first fund as we liquidate assets and recycle them into our second fund. India-born Mishra is now among the most high-profile figures in the world of investing due to his perch at the top of the largest technology investors in the world. In FY21, SoftBank posted $46 billion in profit, and the largest in the history of any Japanese company, and the third largest profit declared last year in the world. Of this, $37 billion came from the Vision Fund. That's it for today. Stay connected. Till then, stay safe.